How to start DaVinci Resolve. What's this window called?
Huh?
Drumroll, please. It's the project manager. The project manager shows all projects belonging to the current user. When you open up DaVinci Resolve, the very first thing you'll see is the project manager. Think of it as your central hub. It's where all your projects live, neatly organized under the account you're logged into.
Okay.
From here, you can import and export projects. Super handy if you're sharing work with someone else or moving projects between computers. And on top of that, the project manager helps you keep everything tidy with the project library sidebar, so you always know where your stuff is. This is called Project Library's sidebar button.
Okay.
Hey, what is that?
This is called the Project Library's sidebar.
Okay.
When you hit the Project Library's sidebar button, it will hide or reveal the Project Library sidebar. From there, you can easily jump into different project libraries and browse through all the projects inside. When you first open up DaVinci Resolve, you'll only see the local database project library. That's the default spot where Resolve keeps track of all your projects. But here's the cool part, you're not stuck with just one.
Okay.
You can make extra project libraries to keep things organized however you like. Maybe one for each year, one for each TV show, or even one for every client you work with.
Okay.
There's no strict rule here. It's totally up to your own workflow and what keeps you organized.
Okay.
What are these?
These are project library types. Project libraries can be stored in 3 different project library types which work similarly in function, but have additional connectivity and sharing features based on your networking setup.
Okay.
All right, so when it comes to saving your project libraries, you've got 3 options. First up, local. This just saves everything right on your own computer. It's the default setting and works perfectly if you're the only one using it or working on a single system.
Okay.
Next is network. This saves your project libraries on another computer that's hooked up to multiple workstations in the same place. It's great if you're in a studio or office with several machines, and you can even manage who gets access.
Okay.
And finally, there's cloud. This is through Blackmagic Cloud. It lets different people from anywhere in the world connect to the same project library. You can also control user access here, and it's the best choice if you're collaborating with a team spread across different locations.
Nice.
How can I create a new local project library?
All right, let's set up a new local project library in DaVinci Resolve.
Okay.
First, head down to the bottom of the sidebar and hit that Add Project Library button. Now jump over to the Create tab. Give your new library a name in the name fields. Next, click on the Location field and choose where you want this library to live on your computer. That's where all your Resolve project folders will be stored. Once you've picked the spot, just click Create and boom. You'll see your new local project library show up in the sidebar under Project Libraries.
Nice.
Hey, Jessica, what is this circled eye icon?
Glad you asked. It's called the Display Project Library Details icon. Let's click on this icon. Now, the kind of information you see depends on the type of library.
Okay.
For local project libraries, you'll get the status, like whether it's compatible or not, and also the location, meaning the directory path.
Okay.
For network and cloud project libraries, you'll see the schema, which includes when it was created and last modified, plus the status, again compatible or not, the IP location, and finally, a list of members who have access to that project library.
Okay.
There are also backup, duplicate, open file location, and remove buttons here.
Okay, Jessica, how do I back up or export a project library?
To back up or export a project library, first click the Project Libraries sidebar button to open the Project Libraries sidebar. Next, select the project library you want to back up. Click the Display Project Library Details icon, then select the Backup button. In the Backup Project Libraries dialog, choose a location to save the backup and click Save.
How can I restore or import a project library?
To restore or import a project library, first click the Project Libraries sidebar button to open the Project Libraries sidebar. This is the Restore button.
Okay.
Click the Restore button at the top of the Project Libraries sidebar.
Okay.
Find the project library you need to import using the File Import dialog and click Open. In the Add Project Library dialog, type a name for the new project library into the Name field. This will rename the imported project library but will not alter its contents. You can also name it the same as the original project library. Next, click within the Location field and use the File System Navigation dialog to choose the directory that contains the existing DaVinci Resolve project libraries. Click Create, and the imported local project library will appear in the Local section of the Project Libraries sidebar.
No, no, no!
This project library name is already in use.
Okay. Cancel. You have to delete the project library first. Right-click on the project library and hit Remove. Then click Disconnect. Or you can also disconnect this way. Also, go to the Hello World Project Library folder and delete the Resolve Projects folder inside it. You don't need it because you've already created the Hello World.resolve.diskdb backup, which you will now restore.
Okay.
Now try it again. You have successfully imported the project library.
Oh!
Okay.
How can I connect to an existing local project library?
First, disconnect a project library so that you can reconnect it later. To do this, first click the Project Library sidebar button to open the Project Library sidebar. Select the project library you want to disconnect. Now click the Display Project Library Details icon. Click the Remove button, then disconnect. To connect the project library, click the Add Project Library button. Click on Connect, type the name of the project library, select the location, now click on Create button. Voila, you have successfully connected the project library.
How can I duplicate a project library?
Local project libraries can be duplicated in the same database for backup or iteration purposes.
Okay.
Right-click on the library and select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. Or click the Display Project Library Details icon, then click on Duplicate. Select the Resolve database folder in the File System browser. This can either be the same one you use for the original project or a new one.
I am creating a new folder named Hello World V2.
Good, now choose a unique project library name, then hit OK. Congratulations, you have successfully duplicated or cloned the project library.
What is this?
This is Sort Order drop-down menu. This menu lets you choose how to sort the various local and network project libraries displayed in the sidebar. You can sort by project library name, schema by date, status, or location in ascending or descending order.
What is this?
This is Show Search field. This option lets you open a search bar along with a drop-down menu for search criteria. You can look for project libraries in the sidebar by name, schema, status, or location.
How can I locate a project library in my system?
Right-click any local project library and choose Open File Location. A file system window opens up, showing you the location of that local project library, inside which are all of its projects.
Okay.
Or you can click on the Display Project Library Details icon of any project library, then select Open File Location. All right, let's wrap this up. In this video, we talked about the DaVinci Resolve Project Manager, especially project libraries. In the next one, we'll dive into how to manage projects inside those libraries. If this video helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Okay.
I'll see you in the next video. Bye.